Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the trigger for your Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. Before we dive into the process, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. To begin, disconnect your Dyson V11 from the charger and ensure it's turned off. You'll want to work on a clean surface to prevent any loss of small parts. First, locate the screws that hold the trigger assembly in place. There are typically 2 Phillips screws on the back of the handle. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later for reassembly. If you find it challenging to unscrew, remember that applying a little pressure while turning can help loosen the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger assembly away from the handle. There may be some resistance, so take your time. As you detach it, inspect the internal components for any dirt or debris. This is a great opportunity to clean the interior of your vacuum. A soft cloth can help you wipe away any buildup. Now, let's focus on replacing the trigger. Take your new compatible trigger and align it with the trigger assembly. Ensure that it fits snugly into place. If you're unsure about the compatibility, we recommend our professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you verify the parts you need. After positioning the trigger, press it gently until you hear a click, indicating it's secured. Next, reinsert the screws you previously removed. Remember to tighten them just enough to hold the assembly without over-tightening, which could damage the threads. With the trigger securely in place, it's time to test the mechanism. Before reassembling the entire handle, reconnect the vacuum to the charger and turn it on briefly to ensure the trigger responds correctly. If everything seems to be functioning, you can proceed to reassemble the handle. If at any point you feel uncertain about performing this repair, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to make any calls or travel. Just let us know, and we can provide a quote before any repair starts. To complete the assembly, slide the handle back into position and replace any additional screws you may have removed during the process. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before you tighten the screws fully. Finally, give your Dyson V11 a thorough cleaning, ensuring no dust or debris remains inside. This maintenance step is crucial for optimal performance. With the new trigger installed and everything cleaned up, your vacuum should now work seamlessly. Thank you for following along with our tutorial on replacing the trigger of your Dyson V11. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.